Could things get slick out there or even icy? Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Brian Wilkes.
If it's not treated and it's
Yeah.
wet and there's some ponding of the water, that'll be a little mini ice rink tomorrow morning because it's going to get very, very cold in a very quick time period. We are still above freezing. We're likely going to stay above freezing in most locations through about midnight, but then after midnight, the cold keeps rushing in. These winds were just battering around the camera here at the Civic Plaza earlier today. The winds whipped up at about 6 o'clock when the first of two fronts approached and swept through the city. Rain was blinding, visibility was dropping, and the temperatures took a big drop as the gust went up over 40 miles per hour. Air temperature in Westfield is 40. It seems a little calmer here, and it is. You can see how the water is collected on the skate rink there. And we actually had folks out at the skate rinks tonight and even at the zoo, but that wind started to blow that rain sideways, and it was a nasty evening commute. Our wind is southwest at 6 miles per hour. We actually had one front come through, knocking our temperature down from 54, the warmest it's been in over 3 weeks, to a current temperature of 41, with the back edge of the rain just now pulling away from Greenfield. Still a few light rain showers continuing from a line from Seymour to Rushville to Muncie. But notice out to our west, starting to detect frozen precipitation. That is front number 2. And that will reach us probably before midnight, and that's going to be the next push of colder air. That's the polar air that's going to come into the area. We picked up 0.8 of an inch of rain in Indianapolis officially. That's the largest single-day rainfall we've had since exactly 31 days ago, November 18th. And now to the west. See how this begins to show up almost linear? That's the polar front. And boy, does that pack another punch. By early tomorrow morning, it will be much, much colder. In fact, the wind chill will be down to near zero. It will feel 55 degrees colder out the door early tomorrow morning. Numbers are still above freezing. The exception, our studio temperature at 39. Avon is now at 39, and the nearest freezing temperature is still up the road and to the north and west in Rensselaer. The gusts were high today, 40, 45, even 46 when the front hit Indianapolis. Those northwest winds were shifting from southwest to northwest, but not before we reached a high of 55 degrees. At this hour, we're at 41. Not bad, but slipping very quickly now that the secondary front is approaching, and the winds are going to get stronger again later tonight. The wind chill is currently 37. When that secondary front passes, that wind chill will start to slip into the single digits by 4 a.m. and likely down to near zero, if not slightly below zero early Friday morning. We will squeeze out some snow showers. So what has fallen as rain will freeze up later tonight. Then these snow showers that are passing with this front and into early tomorrow morning could create some slick spots with a light accumulation as well. And then we pour in this Arctic air. Minneapolis is at 8 degrees. It was 44 degrees to start the day. A blast of polar air is coming south. You can see how it's beginning to wedge into the upper Midwest, but it's not going to be long-lived. We went through 3 straight weeks with temperatures below average. This dip in the jet stream is short-lived and will likely begin to pull out of here as we enter the weekend. A flattened jet stream means milder temperatures return as early as Saturday. So by daybreak, we will have dropped the temperature down to the upper teens to near 20 degrees. It will be slick underfoot. There will be some snow showers that even produce a light accumulation, but it'll be a cold day that turns sunny with temperatures only in the 20s. The big warm-up is still on track for next week. We are likely to see a string of 50-degree days and warmer than normal weather taking us right into the Christmas holiday, but we go right back into the deep freeze overnight with snow showers decreasing to snow flurries by daybreak. Tomorrow's high only 27. On a cold wind out of northwest, the temperatures will be quite chilly at daybreak with a wind chill around zero, but we work our way back up to 40 on Monday after the first day of winter begins, and we could string together several 50-degree days, if not high 50s, for Christmas Day 1 week from today.